Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. Are you dreaming of owning a profitable business? Look no farther. KERRIMO is here to make that dream a reality. KERRIMO launched in the Philippines 12 years ago, was inspired by the growing interest in snacking to suit the fast-paced lifestyle. The idea is that you can always enjoy your favorite snack while carrying it. And don't be limited to just snacks. You can carry more and add a drink to it. Introduced way back in 1998, KERRIMO was marketed as the original food and drink in one combo that provides a way of eating delicious selections of fries, hot dogs, chicken nuggets, and drinks. For the KERRIMO menus, the menu offers a wide range of vegetarian and non-vegetarian options for quick bites paired with French fries and a drink that goes inside KERRIMO's signature packaging. The brand is also open to local flavor profiles to enhance regional appeal, hence making it adaptable and suitable to any consumer profiling. Their French fries consist of cheese, barbecue, sour cream, and onion flavorings with an optional topping to add nuggets and hot dogs in the mix, colorfully adorning the beautiful drinking cups that they have. Eat and drink in one cup. The brand holds a patent on its ergonomically customized concept of eat drink in one cup, fondly known as delicious double deckers, which takes the hassle out of handling cutlery and multiple food holders. For the KERRIMO franchise packages, KERRIMO has multiple franchise packages that are perfectly adaptable to the budget of starting franchisees. They range from 250,000 pesos to 350,000 pesos, which includes the 100,000 pesos franchising fee. There are three types of KERRIMO stores. Stores are kiosk, cart, and stall. A required space for a KERRIMO kiosk, stall, or cart is at least 5 square meters. For the franchise inclusion, 100,000 pesos franchise fee, cart and counter fabrication, marketing support, inclusive of training for 2 staff, 10,000 pesos worth of initial stacks for pre-operation, 4 pieces of uniform for the staff, 1 unit of 9 cubic feet Sanden freezer, 2 units of 8-liter cup deep fryer, 1 unit of 8-liter tab juice dispenser, 1 unit of range hood, 1 complete set of utensils, 1 set of office supplies, and 1 set of cleaning materials. Unlike other franchisees, KERRIMO does not have any royalty fee for every sale or transaction of the franchisee's store. For the franchising procedure, Number 1. Acquire an approval for the location where the store will be established. Number 2. Submit a letter of intent to the franchisor. Number 3. Submit an updated resume with your picture to the main KERRIMO office. Number 4. Fill out the franchisee evaluation form with the requirements attached. Number 5. Meet face-to-face with the franchisor. Number 6. Settle the franchise fee of 100,000 pesos. Number 7. Complete and finalize all requirements to the lessor. Number 8. Sign the contract with KERRIMO and pay the down payment. And number 9. Store opening and completion of franchise payment. For the payment terms, Number 1. On the first payment, the franchise fee is after meeting with the franchisor face-to-face. Number 2. The second payment is after signing the proposal, which the franchisee will only give 50% of the total package for cart and equipment fabrication. It's either cash or dated check. Number 3. Third payment is 25% of the package, which will be settled a week before the opening of the store, maybe cash or dated check. Number 4. The final payment will be on the opening of the store, which is the remaining 25% of the total package. Number 5. Delivery of said package is 3 to 4 weeks upon receipt of down payment. Number 6. BIR certificate, government permits, and other necessary expenses will be provided by the franchisee. The advantages of KERRIMO franchise. Number 1. No royalty fees means that all sales are a profit for the franchisee only. Number 2. Initial opening will be covered by the franchise package. Number 3. Franchise is a low-cost opportunity for would-be franchisees. Number 4. Having more than 100 branches all over the Philippines means that they are able to satisfy hungry customers with tried and tested experience that have been enjoyed by many. And number 5, in the business world, success requires innovation and continual improvements, which KERRIMO undoubtedly has done for 20 years. For the contact details, please contact KERRIMO with the address City Park Avenue, corner Bahayang Filipino Village, City Park Subdivision, Sabang Lipa City, Batangas. You may contact their mobile phone at 63917-823-3310. You can also contact their landline number at 043-774-0570. You can also send an email at franchise@kerrimo.com. You can also visit their Facebook page at KERRIMO PH. For the frequently asked question. Question number 1. What are the essential qualities that you look for in a franchisee? Answer. Clarity of starting a franchise business is a must. He or she should have an answer to a why they want to start a business. Someone who's ready to be involved and evolve. Current franchisees have remained involved in the business very seriously in the first 2 years at least. This has helped them to add more stores to their first store. Question number 2. How long does it take, in an average, for your franchisee to realize their investment? Answer. It takes around 13 to 15 months on an average, and it reduces to 8 to 10 months if the store has high footfall and other important metrics like smooth operations, low rentals, less wastage, regular auditing, and optimization in place. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of KERRIMO Franchise Business today. Please ensure to turn on your notification button for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video.